Snakes are among the most fascinating creatures on Earth, possessing a rich evolutionary history that dates back millions of years. These limbless reptiles belong to the suborder Serpentis and can be found in almost every part of the world except for Antarctica. Adaptability has been one of their strongest traits, allowing them to thrive in environments ranging from dense forests and arid deserts to lush wetlands and deep oceans. Their unique physical structure and behavioral traits make them one of nature's most efficient predators. A snake's body is an engineering marvel, designed for stealth, agility, and precision. Despite lacking limbs, snakes have evolved highly specialized muscles and an elongated skeletal system that allows them to move effortlessly across diverse terrains. Their movement is classified into several types, including rectilinear motion, which is used for slow and straight movement, lateral undulation for rapid slithering, sidewinding for navigating loose surfaces like sand, and concertina motion, which helps in climbing. These techniques make them capable of hunting and evading threats with remarkable efficiency. One of the most notable features of snakes is their ability to swallow prey whole. Unlike other predators that chew their food, snakes have highly flexible jaws that can dislocate, allowing them to consume prey several times larger than their own head. This adaptation is facilitated by a set of specialized ligaments and muscles. Their digestive system is equally fascinating, as it can expand to accommodate large meals and then shrink back when food is scarce. The powerful digestive enzymes break down even bones, ensuring that minimal waste is produced. The diet of snakes varies based on their habitat and species. Some are specialized feeders, preying exclusively on amphibians, birds, or rodents, while others are generalists, consuming whatever they can overpower. Venomous snakes, such as cobras, vipers, and mambas, use venom to immobilize and digest their prey. Their venom is a complex mixture of proteins and enzymes, each adapted for a specific function, including neurotoxins that attack the nervous system and hemotoxins that disrupt blood circulation. Non-venomous snakes, such as pythons and boas, rely on constriction, wrapping their powerful bodies around their prey and suffocating it before ingestion. Reproduction among snakes is as diverse as their species. Some lay eggs in a process called oviparity, while others give birth to live young in a method known as viviparity. There are even some that use ovoviviparity, where the eggs hatch inside the mother's body before the young are released. The level of parental care varies, with most snakes abandoning their eggs after laying them, but some, like the king cobra, constructing nests and guarding them until the hatchlings emerge. The senses of a snake are uniquely adapted to its lifestyle. Their eyes, though lacking eyelids, are covered by a transparent scale that protects them while maintaining vision. While most snakes have poor eyesight, some, particularly tree-dwelling species, have well-developed vision. The Jacobson's organ, located in the roof of the mouth, is responsible for detecting chemical signals in the environment. By flicking their forked tongues, snakes collect scent particles and transfer them to this organ, helping them track prey and recognize danger. Some species, such as pit vipers, pythons, and boas, have specialized heat-sensing pits that allow them to detect the body heat of warm-blooded animals, making them highly efficient nocturnal hunters. Snakes play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance by controlling pest populations, particularly rodents that could otherwise cause agricultural damage and spread diseases. Despite this, they are often feared and misunderstood by humans. Many cultures associate snakes with danger and evil due to their stealthy nature and potent venom. However, they are also revered in mythology and religion, symbolizing wisdom, transformation, and power in various traditions. The threats faced by snakes are numerous, primarily due to human activities. Habitat destruction, pollution, climate change, and illegal wildlife trade have significantly impacted their populations. Many species are hunted for their skin, used in the fashion industry, or captured for the exotic pet trade. The fear of snakes also leads to unnecessary killings, further reducing their numbers. Conservation efforts are being made worldwide to protect these remarkable reptiles. Wildlife sanctuaries, education programs, and anti-poaching laws aim to raise awareness about the importance of snakes in nature. Despite their fearsome reputation, snakes are remarkable survivors that have thrived for millions of years. Their evolutionary adaptations, hunting strategies, and ecological significance make them one of the most captivating creatures on Earth. Through continued conservation and education, it is possible to change misconceptions about these reptiles and ensure their survival for future generations.